In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a type form. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, conduct surveys, or simply want to engage your audience in a unique way, Typeform offers a simple and intuitive platform to help you achieve that. Let's dive into the process and see how you can set up your own Typeform quickly and easily. First, you'll want to head over to typeform.com. This is the official website where you'll begin your journey to creating an interactive and visually appealing form. If you haven't already, take a moment to explore the homepage. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the interface before getting started. Once you're on the Typeform homepage, look for the option that says Create Form on the left-hand side of the screen. This button is your gateway to designing a new form from scratch. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where the magic truly begins. Now, you'll be presented with a few different options for creating your form. Typeform offers a variety of choices to cater to different needs. You can opt to use Typeform AI, which helps craft questions and designs based on your input, making the process even more seamless. Alternatively, if you have a specific vision in mind, you might choose to start from scratch. This option gives you full control over every aspect of your form, from the questions to the layout. Lastly, if you're looking to integrate your form with existing customer relationship management systems, the Sync to CRM option is available to streamline this process. This feature can be particularly useful for businesses and professionals who want to keep their data organized and accessible. No matter which option you choose, Typeform makes it easy to customize your form to suit your specific needs. You can add various types of questions, from multiple choice to open-ended, and even integrate media like images and videos to make your form more engaging. Don't forget to take advantage of the customization features, such as adjusting the color scheme and fonts to ensure your form aligns with your brand or personal style. As you build your form, remember to periodically preview it to see how it will appear to your respondents. This can help you catch any errors or make adjustments to improve the user experience. Once you're satisfied with your form, you can publish it and share the link with your audience. Typeform also provides options to embed the form on your website or share it directly via email or social media platforms. Creating a Typeform is a straightforward process that allows for a high degree of creativity and personalization. It's a powerful tool for collecting information and engaging with your audience in a meaningful way. By following these simple steps, you can create a form that not only captures the data you need, but also leaves a lasting impression on your respondents. Happy form building!